comprometerme en lo que tú pides en la iglesia y en la sociedad. Dame la perspicacia y fortaleza.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I was messing around this morning. It's now almost 8 o'clock. And I ran across this station just by accident. Not sure what it is. It sounds like the voice is Spanish, but the music sounds like Middle East. And it's at 18.025. And it's, like I say, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm using my SDR Play 1 with my G5 RV antenna. And the only place I was able to find that frequency was this one right here. And I've never been to this website. I'll show you the top in a minute. Here, I come down here, 18.025. It says Cairo, which is, and then it says Codan 16 tones. I have no idea what that is. When we go back to the top and just show you what I just did a search on that frequency, and this was the only place I found it. This is total listing of shortwave, so let me go to the top. And it looks like it must be in some kind of foreign language, because see, this doesn't look normal. Utilizator or something like that. And the website is ik4hdq.net.doc. And if I go back, let me go back. Darn light went off and I can't see what I'm doing. So let's just go to the root website and see what comes up. Okay, this is translate the page. Yeah, I need to translate. I can't. Okay, so this is, yeah, pretty old. Last modification was 2017. And I don't know what this website is. Ooh, that's kind of cool. But anyway, it did have under one of these, it did, let me see if I could find it. Webcam, ham radio, software formulas, last seismic event. Like I say, this is pretty old. Okay, I don't know how I got there. Let me go back. Okay, there's the listing. It's a long listing of all the things that are on shortwave, both utility and broadcast. So I'm not sure what I'm hearing here. Let me get all this back up again. Forgot which one of these you hit to get it all to come up at the same time. And then I was struggling this morning. What I was doing, I tried to try some of the some of the features I haven't used much on this SDR Uno. And the one thing I wanted to do is I wanted all this stuff to fill the screen, because what I've done is I changed my overall Windows screen resolution to the higher normal default resolution. And because when I set this up the first time, I had it in a lower resolution, it didn't fill up the whole screen. So I kind of moved things around to get to fill up the whole screen. I wasn't totally successful. I still can't get this filled in down here because I can't expand a lot of these modules. I can't make them larger. But anyway, so I was doing that, and all of a sudden I came across this signal. Just randomly came across this signal. I'm not sure what it is. Let me see if it's still there. Nope. Really, really weak. So that's the thing about shortwave. You know, you could be just kind of scanning the shortwave bands, and all of a sudden a signal pops up, and you listen to it, and it's pretty good. And then a few minutes later, it's gone. Like I say, I think it was about 20 minutes ago that I started hearing it, and it was pretty strong. And now it's like gone. So I just thought I wanted to show it to you. Again, maybe this is in Cairo or from Cairo. Maybe It's a local, when I say local, within 800 miles of me, Spanish-speaking station, which a lot of them are not registered in any database, so you can't find them. That could be, and typically I don't receive too well in this higher frequency, 18 megahertz. Okay, yeah, thank you very much, bye. So this was unusual that I was receiving something, and I don't know where it was really. And maybe some of my viewers know what that is, 18.025, especially people in the Middle East. They might hear it quite often, if that's where it's from. If it's really run from Cairo. Like I say, none of the other databases I looked at showed it. I'm running the memory database here, which is based on EIBI, but it's an older version. I haven't updated it. And I got it set up right now to display whatever stations are on the frequency I've selected, and it shows none. It's like if I turn this off, see, there's the database. And you can right click here and say filter by the frequency that I've tuned, and it has nothing. I moved up and down in frequency. It never showed up anything, so I'm not sure what it is. But anyway, have a great day. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any ideas of future shows, please let me know. I've got some time now because I had newer radios, or new to me radios to review. So I've been playing around with programs that I've used in the past where I've just kind of just touched the surface. My plan was to use either SDR Uno or SDR console and do a long-term recording, and just to give me some idea of propagation. So what I was going to do is I was going to set up the radio to receive, say, 10 megahertz, which is WWV, and just let it record from early in the morning to, say, 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, go back and play it back and see what the conditions were. Now, there's a option under SDR console where you can do, I think it's called data record or something like that. So you're recording the signal strength of the signal. And I played with that a little bit yesterday and just got more confused. So I'm back to SDR Uno, and I'm going to use this, or try to use this record function right here. And I'm signing the file to my D drive, which is not full like my C drive is, and just let it record. If it gets up to 100 gigabytes, I'm still okay. Alrighty, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.